Welcome to your daily briefing for Monday, July 10, 2023. The following is a summary, and not investment advice. Amidst contemporary inflatory trends, the United States inflation unexpectedly dipped in June, primarily due to falling gasoline prices. Despite this, the core consumer price index, excluding volatile items such as food and energy, is anticipated to rise by 3.1% year-over-year, a figure positioned above the desired rate. This growth, while slower than March 2021's rate, is a potential trigger for the Federal Reserve contemplating resuscitating interest rate hikes. The United States economy has demonstrated notable resilience, as illustrated by a recent increase in payroll and steady wage growth, despite a 5 percentage point rise in interest rates year-over-year. In a diversion from the United States response, the French Central Bank, under the guidance of Chief Francois Villeroy de Galhau, opposes the European Central Bank's proposal to escalate its inflation target. Olivier Blanchard from the International Monetary Fund and other economists recommend regulatory alterations to manage post-disruption inflation pressure. Despite this resistance, Asian financial sectors continue to display keen interest in digital finance. The Reserve Bank of India is committed to maintaining interoperability between the Central Bank Digital Currency and the Unified Payments Interface. Restrictions on the cryptocurrency market have been enforced by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which demands digital assets to be secured in trust by exchanges and prevents retail investors from participating in staking or lending projects. In the wake of recent cyber threats, prominent financial technology players, like Apple and HDFC Bank, are paving their way into India's credit card market. Meanwhile, the Bank for International Settlements project Polaris evaluates ways to protect retail central bank digital currencies from cyber threats. Contrary to these advancements, Spanish fashion company, Bimba y Lola reports a 26.1% decline in profit, emphasizing the impacts of inflation. The property market in the United States has been disrupted by a year-over-year 2% downtick in inventory, triggered by escalating mortgage rates, causing irregular inventory patterns and affecting homeowners' profits. Leadership changes are forthcoming. With an American endorsement, Gongsheng is expected to replace Gang as the head of the People's Bank of China. This role also includes the party chief's responsibility, a position for which he has been nominated by the Chinese Communist Party. Preparations for the digital finance era are evident in Hong Kong as the Hong Kong Securities and Investment Institute is set to launch virtual asset training programs and seminars. Financial scrutiny intensifies following the collapse of three small to mid-size U.S. banks and Switzerland's second-largest bank, Credit Suisse. The ripple effect was felt most in the United States and Switzerland, while the euro area remained stable due to effective regulations like the Basel III framework. This underlines the need for robust regulation in the financial sector's trajectory. Additionally, the city of Jinan in China is pioneering the use of the digital yuan currency for bus fare payments across all routes, except for custom buses. Initially tested on 2 routes in 2021, the successful pilot has encouraged authorities to expand this system. Jinan Public Transport and CCB Jinan branch are slated to continue their cooperation from July 1 to September 30. Your daily briefing is gathered from information sources across the web and summarized by AI. Always do your own research and consult a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.